created a custom Lego model in Lego Digital Designer and have a LIX file. These XML index files describe your virtual Lego creations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these Lego Digital Designer XML index files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest LIX cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. A LIX file is an XML-based index file used by Lego Digital Designer, LDD, a free virtual building software. This file contains a list and definitions of the available Lego bricks, parts, that the program can use. Users typically encounter this when the software updates its parts library, or when troubleshooting part-related errors. The LIX file is structured as an XML document, a text-based format that uses tags to define data elements. This design allows the LDD application to easily parse and load the entire library of virtual bricks, including their properties like ID, geometry, and connection points, in a structured and extensible way. For reliable opening, Lego Digital Designer by the Lego Group offers the best solution for LIX. Windows displays only generic icons, indicating a need for specialized software. Windows can preview limited elements, but meaningful analysis relies on the software that produced the file. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your LIX file, then click Open With. Test Lego Digital Designer if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If the LIX file won't open, don't panic. This is a truly stubborn LIX file. To find the error source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, opening in Lego Digital Designer. Although discontinued, Lego Digital Designer remains available as legacy software, downloadable from various archives. Install LDD and open LIX files through File then Open. The application displays your Lego model, enabling viewing, modifying, and exporting your digital Lego creation, despite the software's discontinued status. Next, using stud.io as alternative. Import LIX files into stud.io from Bricklink, the modern alternative to Lego Digital Designer. Stud.io supports importing LDD files with conversion to its native format. The application provides advanced features for digital Lego building rendering and parts list generation for ordering bricks from Bricklink Marketplace. Finally, viewing as XML. Open LIX files in any text editor or XML viewer to inspect the model data directly. The XML structure reveals brick references, positions, and colors, enabling manual analysis or programmatic processing of Lego model data. This is useful for developers creating tools or extracting model information for custom applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.